Hello students, in today's video we are going to study about Newton's first, second and third law of motion. So what does first law indicates? First law indicates that a body at rest will remain at rest and a body in motion will remain in motion until and unless any force is applied on that body. Okay, and what do we get from first law of motion? First, we know about inertia. What is inertia? The tendency of material body to remain at rest or to continue its motion is called inertia of material bodies. Now, one more thing we get is force. What is force? Force is an external agent which either changes or tends to change the state of rest or of motion of the body. Now, what do we get from Newton's second law of motion? From Newton's second law of motion, we get measurement of force. Now, what does Newton's second law of motion state? What does Newton's second law of motion state? Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the applied force, and the change takes place in direction in which the force acts. We get measurement of force. And from Newton's third law of motion, we get the definition that to every action there is an equal and an opposite reaction. Okay. So a rocket works on this principle only. Suppose this is a rocket. The small hole is made and it is filled with fuel tank. So this fuel comes out with great force downward, which gives reactional force upwards. So this rocket flies off. Now, given on coming out of a boat, we push the boat backward in order to get the reactional force forward. So this is results of illustrations of Newton's third law of motion. Now, how can we get Newton's first law of motion from second law? We can write F equals to ma. If F is 0, then ma will also become 0. Since mass can never be equals to 0, therefore acceleration equals to 0. Now 0 acceleration means velocity is constant. 0 acceleration means velocity is constant. It means v equals to u, which tells Newton's first law of motion. So these are Newton's first, second and third law of motion. I hope you understood this. Thanks for watching this video.